WetnwWild. So if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is going to be working with Looking Fabulous. I want to play some of these colors. I definitely want to play with palm tree and banana leaf and a little bit of orange and a little bit of this. So my face has already been done. I'm already doing a video. Just testing out some new foundation and everything else and the concealer. So yeah, you will have the full deets on that. But for this video, it's just going to basically just work on these eyes. It's basically an eye tutorial I'm planning to do. But yeah, very excited about this. So use my Milani. I'm going to use Milani eyeshadow. I do like this stuff, so it's like one of my favorite ones. Those are my hard candy one. If you are a beauty on the budget like I am, Milani will be your go-to, I think. If this one does, I'm only going to work with Beach Balm. Beach Balm is like a russet. So definitely going to put this in the crease because why not? And usually with mattes, I like to go with the crease when I would like to go with a shimmer, because I think, you know, we're definitely going to use a bit of sunset at the top. Just a tiny bit. And we're just going to go with that sunset, the orange color right here. Just to give it more of a, you know, a little bit of more orangey burnt one. Right now. And we're definitely for right now, we're going to use a more of a flat shade brush for this banana leaf. This is a shimmer teal color, and as you can see, want a little bit just to darken that a little bit. No, never mind. Okay. Like, nope, I ain't gonna do that. So we're definitely gonna like, this is such a pretty teal. Like, I mean, this is like really pretty. And my first impression is I have nothing bad to say about LiveGlam yet. And that tells you something with me. Like, I can tell you straight off, if I don't like the product, I don't like the product. Brush for a coconut. Coconut is this neutral color, but with anything, so we're gonna angle that up and just darken that outer V and just darken it a little bit. Use it more like a peach, like I just put some eyeliner just to be a little bit out of my comfort zone. Just a little bit. I do use eyeliner, but I'm just being out of my comfort zone. So I'm gonna put some mascara on, and then we'll be picking, I think I'm going with a brown color for the lips. So yeah. If you got falsies, go for it. Profusion, I picked my favorite lip cream matte, this Pure Matte. Pure. So. Oh yeah. And this doesn't really cling on any dry patches on yours. Like the finished look. I do like how this came out. It's like one of those things, like, it's definitely a good palette. As that orange, that brown, those, oh my gosh, just working with Beach Balm as the crease, and then I just use Sunset up top, and then I use vanilla lace on the lid and under my eyelid, on my waterline, my inner line, whatever you want to call them, and then using coconut as the outer V and just darken up the crease just a tad bit, and of course put some eyeliner and mascara. It just, it's my everyday look again. No, you can definitely make this. And I just enjoyed this palette already. I cannot wait to play with it more and more. I'm definitely going to work the yellows and maybe the pink, purple pink color. Flamingo. And yeah, see what other colors I can come up with. I cannot wait. So I'm taking a small break because I got new palettes to show you guys. I got the neon eyeshadow palettes from Profusion. I cannot wait to show you guys. And that will be tomorrow's video, or it might be after the foundation video. I don't know how that's going to work, but yeah. And for a little sneak peek on this okay foundation, I guess, for right now. It might be cheap because I still have to finish that video, but yeah, I do like how this looks. So I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and if you haven't already and you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button. If you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family to watch new videos of mine or anything, don't forget that subscribe button, and also don't hit the notification bell so you can be notified of new videos. And I hope you have a wonderful day and night wherever you're at. I love you guys, and God bless you guys. Bye.